In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear brakes on this Nissan Rogue. These are going to be located behind the rear wheels. Let's get into it. We're going to remove the wheel, use a 21mm socket. Remove the wheel. Before we take the caliper off, we're going to loosen up the bleeder screw. Take this cap, pop the cap off, and use a 8mm wrench. Just loosen this up, and then just snug it up. That'll make it easier later. We're going to take this lower caliper bolt out, use a 14mm socket. Take that out. And normally we would take this top one out, but because of the brake hose, it's going to be in the way. So we're just going to tip the caliper up and slide the caliper off the bracket, just like that. The pin's going to stay with the caliper. Take a brake caliper hanger. And we're just going to hang this from the sway bar. Just make sure there's no tension on the brake hose. Take the brake pads off. I'm just using a pry bar. Pop those off. Using a 17mm socket, we're going to take the bracket bolts off. Slide the bracket off. With a straight blade screwdriver, take this little cover off. Just get underneath there, pop that off. Inside that hole, you can access the adjuster for the parking brake shoes and use a straight blade screwdriver. You want to loosen up the adjuster so it's easier to take the rotor off. If it starts getting tighter, you went the wrong way. I'm going to go the opposite way. It's getting easier, so for this side we're going down with the adjuster. And it slides right off. Take a wire brush, we just want to clean up the hub surface. Just going to do this part by hand with the wire brush. Just get in there good. Use a little brake parts cleaner. Let that dry. I'm just going to take a thin coat of anti-seize. That's good. Take the rotor, put it on backwards first. A little brake parts cleaner. And a rag, wipe that down. Flip it around. Do it on this side. Little brake parts cleaner. And wipe it with a rag. Now you can adjust the parking brake if you want to. You can pull it off and adjust it that way, or just do it the same as the way we took it off. Just get this lined up, tighten it down. You want it just barely grabbing. It's almost easier to get it so it's too tight, and then back it off a few turns. And that's good. I'll take the cap, line that up, push that back on. We're going to clean up the caliper bracket. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver, pop the clips off. We'll use a wire brush, clean this up. Good. Take a little silicone grease, just a thin coat. It's just going to prevent corrosion. Take the clips, get that in position, and push that down. And we'll do the same on the other side. Now I'll take the bracket, get this lined up, get the bolts started. Snug those down. Now torque these bolts to 62 foot-pounds. Now take the brake pads. The one with the wear indicator is going to go down on the inside on this side. You can match it up to the old one. And the one without a warning indicator is going to go on the outside. I'm going to clean up these slide pins. Use a little brake parts cleaner. If you need to, use a wire brush. If it's got some corrosion on it. It's good. Do the same on the other one. And just a thin coat of silicone, or brake caliper lubricant. Same with this pin. That's good. I'll take the caliper hanger off. Then we'll take one of the old brake pads and the caliper compressing tool. Get this lined up. Started. Take that 8mm wrench, put that over the bleeder screw. I'm going to use a hose just so I don't make a mess. Open the bleeder screw. And if you need to, have a drain bucket underneath. And we're going to compress the caliper nice and slow. You're going to see brake fluid coming out of the hose. It's dripping a little bit. Just go nice and slow until it bottoms out. That's good. Now close the bleeder screw. Take the hose off. wrench off. Take the compressing tool off, take the pad off, look at the boot, make sure the boot looks good, which it does. Slide the caliper pin into the bracket. Make sure that moves good and the boot goes all the way around the pin. Line that up. Put the other pin, get the lower pin in, get that started. Tighten this down. Make sure the boot goes all the way around. Now torque the pin to 32 foot-pounds. And we didn't loosen up the top one, so you don't have to torque that. If you want to, you can double check. Now snug down the bleeder screw. That's good. And put the cap on. And you can wipe it down. You can use a little brake parts cleaner to clean it up. Now install the wheel. Get the lug nut started. Snug these down. Now we're going to torque the lug nuts to 83 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check. Nice and slow, you want to pump the brake pedal. There's a little bit of an air gap in between the brake pad and the calipers. The pedal's going to start to feel a little bit stiff, and that's good. Under the hood, you want to double check the brake fluid level. You can use a rag, wipe off the cap, and adjust the fluid level accordingly. The max line is right there.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.